Ayan, so sample problem number 7. Let's read first. What is the weight of a 45 kilogram boulder if it is both to a place where the acceleration due to gravity is 395 meter per seconds per minute? So, given tayo ng, susulat muna natin, given. So, given tayo ng 45 kilograms. So, this is the mass. And then, acceleration gravity natin, which is the G. Acceleration due to gravity is 395 daw meter per seconds per minute. So, yan yung G natin. So, let's, muna, di ba, yung formula natin is, di ba, yung weight is equal to mg, or the mass times the G. So, the, trick dito, or the main problem natin is naka-minute. So, di ba, yung G is, natin is kailangan naka-meter per second squared. So, naka-minute to. So, ito muna yung galawin natin, minute. So, di ba, ang 1 minute ay equal siya sa 60 seconds. So, G, 395 meter per seconds times minute. So, i-times muna na, times, para makancel yung minute is, di ba, 1 minute ay equal siya, 1 minute equal siya tang 60 seconds. Ayan. So, makancel. So, 395 times 1 over 60. So, now, ang G natin ay magiging 6.583 meter per second. So, yan, squared na siya. So, S is S. So, squared. So, yan, meron na tayong G. So, let's G na dito sa may natin. So, isalpak natin. So, mass, 45 kilogram. So, times. The G is the 583 meter per second squared. So, W, or the weight ng boulder natin is 296.235. So, di ba, kilogram. So, kilogram times meter per second squared ay equal lang siya sa Newton. Okay. So, ang magiging sagot natin dito is 296.235 Newton. So, that would be our final answer for sample problem number 1, which is ito, yung pinakapahanap na weight is 296.235 Newton. So, yan. Double check ko lang. Ayan. So, tama naman. So, yun lang.